Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft Varunada's Lazurite Gemstone in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in game, search for a crafting table, which looks like this one right here. Go near it and then press F to interact, like so. So here are all the items you can craft in this crafting table. Here's search for Varunada Lazurite Gemstone, which is right over here. Click on it. So crafting materials required to craft this are 3 Varunada Lazurite Chunk. So if you have these items in your inventory, just click on the craft button, which is on the bottom right side of your screen, like so. So crafting this is going to cost you 2700 Mora, and it is going to consume this material right here. So if you want to go through with the crafting, just click on this confirm button right here and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!